What categories of free video resources such as stock footage, sound effects, templates and animations are available for video production, and what are the top platforms that offer these resources for free? Categories of free video resources available for video production. Stock video footage includes HD and 4K clips, aerial shots, nature clips, business footage, lifestyle scenes, slow motion clips, time lapses and background videos used for B-roll and general video enhancement. Sound effects includes ambient sounds, nature sounds, cinematic hits, whooshes, Foley sounds, button clicks, transitions, impacts, mechanical sounds and other short audio clips used to add realism and energy. Music tracks includes royalty-free background music, cinematic scores, instrumental tracks, corporate music, blog music, emotional tracks, upbeat music and genre-based music suitable for intros, presentations and storytelling. Video templates includes intro templates, outro templates, logo reveal templates, lower thirds, slideshow templates, title packs, social media templates, transitions and pre-built motion graphics used in editors like Premiere Pro, After Effects, DaVinci Resolve and Final Cut Pro. Motion graphics elements includes animated shapes, UI elements, infographics, charts, arrows, animated icons, HUD graphics, looping backgrounds and dynamic visual motion elements. Overlays includes light leaks, film grain, dust overlays, scratches, glitch effects, bokeh overlays, particles, lens flares, smoke overlays, fire elements and transition effects that enhance the mood and look of videos. Animations includes character animations, explainer video elements, animated backgrounds, looping animations, transitions, infographic animations and cartoon-style assets. Graphics and visual assets includes PNG graphics, vector graphics, illustrations, backgrounds, gradients, borders, patterns, shapes and design elements for use in thumbnails and video composition. Fonts includes free typefaces, display fonts, title fonts, handwriting fonts, modern fonts and typography sets used for titles, captions and text animations. Icons includes static and animated icons, social media icons, interface icons, business icons and vector symbols used for visual communication in videos. Stock images includes free photographs, illustrations, abstract images, background textures and visual elements used for thumbnails, scene design and mixed media videos. Green screen assets includes chroma key footage, green screen people, props, explosions, particles, fire, smoke, transitions and isolated objects that can be added to any scene through keying. Top free platforms that offer these resources. Mixkit provides free stock videos, music tracks, sound effects and high-quality video templates without requiring attribution. Pixabay offers free stock photos, illustrations, vectors, music, sound effects and HD video clips for personal and commercial use. Pexels provides a large collection of free HD and 4K stock videos and photos that can be used for any video project. Videvo offers free stock footage, motion graphics, sound effects and music tracks. Many clips do not require attribution. Free for Video collects links to many free resources including video clips, templates, overlays, icons, sound effects, music and VFX elements. Enchanted Media provides free video templates, animated backgrounds, overlays, green screen effects and graphics for video creators. Unsplash offers free high-resolution images useful for custom thumbnails, backgrounds and mixed media video production. YouTube Audio Library provides free music tracks and sound effects approved for use in YouTube and other video projects. Free Music Archive offers a wide range of royalty-free music under open licenses suitable for creative video projects. Freesound contains thousands of free sound effects contributed by creators under creative licenses. Canva Free Library provides free templates, icons, images, stock videos and simple animations for quick video editing. Vecteezy Free Collection offers free vectors, illustrations and icons that can be used in motion graphics and video layouts. Summary. A wide variety of free resources is available to support video production, including stock footage, sound effects, music, templates, overlays, animations, graphics, fonts, icons and images. These tools help creators produce high-quality videos at no cost. The most reliable platforms include Mixkit, Pixabay, Pexels, Vidivo, Free4Video, Enchanted Media, Unsplash and several free audio and graphics libraries. If you want, I can also prepare a shorter version, an academic-style answer or a printable version.